Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for achieving success both in life and in your career: self-confidence. Whether you're aiming for personal growth, pursuing your dreams, or striving for professional advancement, understanding the keys to building and maintaining self-confidence is essential. In this video, we'll explore 7 practical strategies that can empower you to boost your self-confidence and unlock your potential. So, let's get started. Understanding self-confidence. Self-confidence is more than just believing in yourself. It's about trusting your abilities, accepting yourself fully, and facing challenges with resilience and determination. When you have self-confidence, you're more likely to take risks, bounce back from setbacks, and pursue your goals with enthusiasm. Key 1. Know yourself. The first key to building self-confidence is self-awareness. Take time to understand your strengths, weaknesses, values, and passions. When you know who you are and what you stand for, you can approach challenges and opportunities with clarity and authenticity. Key 2. Set realistic goals. Setting achievable goals is crucial for boosting self-confidence. Break down larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks, and celebrate each milestone you achieve. This sense of accomplishment will fuel your confidence and motivate you to keep pushing forward. Key 3. Develop competence. Competence breeds confidence. Continuously improve your skills and knowledge through learning and practice. Whether it's through formal education, workshops, or hands-on experience, investing in your development builds a strong foundation for self-assurance. Key 4. Embrace positivity. Positive thinking plays a significant role in fostering self-confidence. Challenge negative self-talk and replace it with affirmations and constructive thoughts. Surround yourself with supportive people who uplift and encourage you on your journey. Key 5. Step out of your comfort zone. Growth happens outside your comfort zone. Take calculated risks and embrace new challenges, even if they initially seem daunting. Each experience of stepping beyond your limits strengthens your belief in your abilities and expands your comfort zone. Key 6. Learn from setbacks. Setbacks and failures are inevitable on the path to success. Instead of letting them discourage you, view them as opportunities for growth and learning. Analyze what went wrong, adjust your approach if needed, and use each setback as a stepping stone towards future success. Key 7. Practice self-compassion. Lastly, practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with kindness and understanding, especially during challenging times. Acknowledge your achievements, no matter how small, and forgive yourself for mistakes. Self-compassion nurtures resilience and sustains your self-confidence over the long term. In conclusion, building and maintaining self-confidence is a journey that requires dedication, patience, and self-reflection. By implementing these 7 keys: knowing yourself, setting goals, developing competence, embracing positivity, stepping out of your comfort zone, learning from setbacks, and practicing self-compassion, you can cultivate a strong sense of self-confidence that empowers you to thrive in both your personal and professional life. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content on personal development and achieving your goals. Remember, you have the power to believe in yourself and achieve greatness. Take care, and see you in the next video.